It's
Very
nice.
nice.
Oh, that's very convenient.
Does it cost?
No, it's for free.
All right. Because I've set my APIs to CoinMarket, man.
Yeah, CoinMarket
Market,
menu, they charge something from you,
Yeah,
like
yeah,
$14-15 per month or something.
something, yeah.
Nice.
And it's not that
Okay.
well on USDT pair.
Mm.
Okay, you have link in the general chat. Just turn off sound on YouTube and that's it. Yeah, I don't want to be in so much in charge today. Just have more like talk more. We'll do it tomorrow. But yeah, when we discuss something, it's important to show. So you see screen now, everyone?
Mhm.
Yep.
Yeah.
Cool. So let's go. Let's go to 1 minute, 5 minutes. That should be enough. 5 minutes over here. So, okay, I teach you do not use bias or expectations, but I was in this case when we were around 29,600, I was bearish. You know, everyone in the world was bearish, and you know Bram as well. And look what Bitcoin did, totally opposite. You know, and I was sleeping over here. You can see this is. Yeah, this zone. Or I was
I
not
was
ready.
awake, but I couldn't believe that we go so quickly.
You had only two good entries. Swing value pattern of this low. This was perfect. But still it's scalp, yeah. You will not build swing trade here. You can, but yeah, it's really, you are starting it as a scalp. So over here, or just FIP. Just FIP. We can extend here. Another perfect entry. So you had only two good entries over here with good risk management. And then we just pumped up. And we pumped up so much because a lot of people were left out. And also you need to go sideways much longer to fill big positions, okay? Because remember, 90% of market is limit market, or 80%. Because we are moving the market, but the real big traders, they need to fill big pockets. They need a lot of time to play around. So they didn't. So they really started to support the market.
Is that what you're saying? Are you saying they're accumulating in the sideways?
Of course. Sideways is always accumulation. Even now we are going sideways.
Oh, I see.
Maybe slow accumulation and sideways.
Yeah. But you know.
So they just slowly add to the positions. They can't like do it
This
in
is
one
accumulation, you know. This is accumulation because you are in the range. There is no, you know, I don't care about Vikov and stuff. It's not precise.
Yeah, me too.
So, you know, you are accumulating bottom of the range and top of the range you are selling, okay? So that's why we can just fall off from this if we continue down. Because it means we go just continue the range. And also we can check here. I really like it, you know. I used to use it.
Do you like this one or TRDR?
TRDR first, but this one I like just for Bitfinex. I like it. It's like more clean.
Yeah. Oh, but you can use as well for others. You trade on Bitfinex?
No, but you need to watch what Bitfinex do, because that's where big spot players are. It doesn't matter. There is not so much volume there, because you have hidden orders, so not everything's shown. But look here.
Are the lines limits?
Yeah. I use 75% opacity. This is really good settings, which I was like watching good traders use. 75%. You see heavy bids around 29. Just market didn't have power to go wall. Crazy. So those littles, this is like retail and other small, but those big yellow lines, they are strongest one. We didn't have enough power to go. That's why we held. But this support was lost. Someone filled big position, so he is really happy now, or he just took profits. We can see now what this spot market wants to play over here. So from 35,700 to 35,000, amazing support. If we get there, I'm really expecting quite big bounce. I will try to build swing trade and intraday positions as well here.
Me too. This is monthly support, 35.
Yeah, too much support, you know. Too much support there. We have a lot of powerful levels below us. Yeah. Just how fast we went up, we didn't build so much support, so we need to be careful as well. This is only disadvantage if you go fast, because you can then fast fall down.
I'm in short from 40,600
Okay. Nice.
on the trend line break, big trend line from the bottom.
Cool,
if you
cool.
draw it on.
So this is big support for us, and above us, nothing serious. We can see market is not stopping us go above, because market knows if you break those highs, we go to 47k at least, or 50k. This is also indication for you. Nothing here. 45, 800. Yeah,
Wow.
we will see. I like how the volume is presented here. 33,000, huge. Yeah, there will be plenty of trades if we go down, so I don't care. More Bitcoin for us while we trade it. At 60k, I was not getting much Bitcoin when I won, like $1,000 or something per day. Nothing, you know. Now it's better.
You can also buy altcoins for position trading
Yeah,
in spot.
yeah.
Goes down.
I'm hodling now alts, so I'm fine. I don't need other positions. The only
When did you buy?
Sorry.
When did you buy also for spot?
Oh,
or
on
did
the
you buy
main
before?
crash, you know. I bought Solana for $20. Yeah, so I'm happy, you know.
I was still expecting 20k, so one is a lot. 15.
Yeah, everyone was expecting, but you know, you just need to take some trades. Just
Yeah,
in case.
just need to add some position, yeah.
Yeah, just in case.
Mm-hmm.
How is TRDR looking? Need to refresh everything. So do you guys use this template already?
For
Not
the
yet.
RDR?
Yep.
Nice. This is really good one.
I got on along, at our initial uptrend that we had a few days ago
Yeah.
because of this. I didn't think it'd do what it did, but I got on near the bottom.
Nice. Yeah, just avoid very single bands, you know. They can be just spoofing. So
Yeah.
at least
look
2
for the
or
thick one.
3 or even something like this. This is best, you know. Especially when you see this order here and you still go, it's not disappearing. So that's your best entry. Perfect here. Amazing. This is amazing template.
It's yellow is weakest, blue is strongest, no?
Yeah, I don't know. I need to check the settings because the guy was settings as a bit different than mine. I will probably make it as mine. So blue one is the strongest one, and yellow one is the weakest one. So
It's a bit
yeah,
odd.
white one is stronger. Okay. Yeah, but we need to see what is the spot market doing with derivatives together. So just perfect.
Does this
you know?
take spot? It just takes like all domains or whatever.
Yeah. You just do not go against the trend because you had signal here. You can go scalp, but yeah, you're moving in the direction of trend, not against. Then you are okay.
Yeah. Worst thing, go against the trend, thinking you catch the top.
Yeah, exactly. What is the channel doing? Okay, channel is still holding. This channel was broken also. This was really okay scalp. If you want to add to position, small channel broken, it can be removed. But we still have this bigger channel, so we will see. It's getting respect. This was perfect trade, you know. How much was the total bounce today? You get it? You got it, guys? 3%.
I didn't scalp yet.
Oh, okay. It's waiting for you. Here are stronger levels. You can see I have some small limits over here, and I will. Sometimes I'm like have like starter limits, and then I will add to position. Okay. So if this trade goes wrong, I will just close with small loss here. But if I get this limit right and we get the bounce, I will add to position. So as I teach you, like entry always with the market, you can do sometimes like starter position on stronger support. That's it, you know. This is gonna be great. Hopefully we get it because market structure still not changed. just 1 minute maybe. It's all about, it's all about those unlucky longs from the weekend. Market wants to just punish them. It's so simple,
If you check higher time frames on TradingView and do anchored VWAP from the main top,
Yeah.
we hit it and acted as resistance from 42.6.
Nice. Let's have a look. Okay, from this top or from like total top?
Total top on bigger time frame
Mm-hmm.
from 65. Main top, all-time highs.
Okay, it's very close.
Yeah, this one.
Yeah, but you hit yours because it's very close. but
Yeah,
we have different settings probably. I use just what is set in
let's see.
TradingView. Close. Not much difference.
Yeah. Well, Coinbase surpassed, but Bybit. Because I'm trading USDT,
Ah, okay.
That's
Okay.
what it.
That's
it
very
did.
very different. Yeah, the Bybit perpetuals are leading over USD Tether. Tether is much lower volume, so we need to focus on this.
Okay, because I chart where I trade, so far.
Yeah,
I
this
will transfer when we make less dip.
Yeah, cool. But this one is also nice. This anchored VWAP. Yeah, we will be using it more.
It's like VWAP, yeah, simple VWAP.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, this one nice.
Sibi, can you explain one thing?
Yeah.
When was last big jump from 30k to 40k? On futures, on Binance was happening something crazy, like price went to till 48k or something.
Yeah,
With
it
one
was
big
explained on
candle.
Twitter. It was 600 million liquidation of one seller, and he needed to get out in 60 seconds, and he emptied all order book on Binance. And Binance, of course, they know that they have such a huge entity there. It was probably, I don't know who was that, but yeah, there was some talk about big trader name. They didn't provide liquidity. That's their mistake, and it means like you fill order book so you can get out. They just left order book just to the people, and they destroyed small sellers and medium sellers. I think I had a lot of messages from people. They are leaving Binance. They go to Bybit, like new members. They said straight, okay, I won't buy Bybit. So Binance is doing very bad things lightly.
Yeah, for this is really bad. Binance is good for withdrawals, withdrawals, deposits. Same, yeah, deposits are same.
But trading itself is shitty, because I know their policy. They are after people liquidations, okay? Because I have Bybit manager, we talk like friends. He's telling me a small, like never insider things, but he told me the Binance, they have different methodology. They are after liquidations. They don't care if you are a good trader or bad. They just want your money. Because when you liquidate, part of your account goes directly to them. It's like 5% or something like that. It's like reserve when you have huge volatility. So you are liquidated before Bitcoin reaches your zero on your account. There is a big gap. So they want this money. Bybit, on the other hand, they told me they want good traders, educated traders, because they know in the long run they will make probably more money on fees. Okay, so they're really different. That's why I will never ever push Binance in the group. It's not gonna happen.
Mm-hmm.
Well, that's kind of what you're doing, SB, trying to get bigger traders. You get a bigger cut.
Yeah. And they gave us 10% off on market fees. That's absolutely crazy because they just sacrifice own money, like own profits. So
Sure.
I don't know if any other group has such a discount. So because they saw I pushed just Bybit here, so they see it's like pure, no other exchanges. There are disadvantages, of course, but we will try to sort it.
Is it possible for you to check if I'm getting the fee reduction?
Everyone's getting fee reduction. You can count it, you know. When you open $1,000 trade, you should be paying $0.65 on your trade fee. And when you do not have the fee, like the reduction, you have 0.75 fee. Okay, it's simple.
So it's like $7.5 per thousand.
No, for 10,000
on market.
For 10,000 on market, it's $75.5.
You sure?
Of course,
Yeah. Because
Yeah.
we all get it.
Yeah.
We all get it. I'm seeing it because I was checking my account and it says, like I'm in the affiliate account, it says 10% is still there until end of September, and I will be able to extend it more and more. So it's okay. We will see how it goes. Also,
It's
yeah,
amazing how
because
the
these
fee
affiliates,
reductions add up.
you don't imagine me like I'm making thousands. It's still very little. It's like 100 per day dollars. It's okay, you know. It's like one small trade for me or two small trades. But yeah,
How many people from the group
we
what
have
percentage?
like
signed up?
400,
affiliate?
I think there are. It's like heroes, because heroes, I checked every hero, so 400 people are active traders. But yeah, most of them are small traders. They are just trading $100 size. They are learning, yeah. So it takes time.
Yeah.
We will see. But if it's not gonna work, I will place fees. But I will place fees not for current members, maybe for future members, like above 15k members. Okay, you want to join our group? Pay. So that's gonna be solution if it's not working. Or
Like chart champions, 200 a
crazy.
month.
Yeah, they make $300,000 per month just from fees.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
It's crazy. Because this
How many,
education is very,
people-
very valuable. So you are getting it for nothing, okay, we can say. So one day we will probably place fees anyway, just to limit people joining, because we don't want all world to teach that, to learn this. Then it will not work. Yeah. I want to teach people who... I want to keep balance. So teach some people, but not all of the world.
I paid thousands for courses, but
Yeah.
some are better, some are not so good, you know.
Exactly. Who joined? Crypto Ninja joined, and Sir Crypto. Welcome, guys. They are just listening. Very good. I just want to say, Crypto Ninja, thanks for this template. Okay, you made for us on the TRDR. Yeah. So yeah, that's we will see what's gonna happen. Anyway, it's so nice to see Bitcoin is rising. So beautiful. Just want to keep some nice structure to it. So yeah, we will be using Anchored VWAP more now, and we have plenty more new tools coming. I want to make like 20 videos at least to finish like everything what I like, especially for swing traders, because they are missing some key tools. Yeah.
Can I just supply the anchored VWAP and leave it, or do I need to reapply it like every week or whatever?
I think
You can
you
leave
should
it, yeah.
just make folder of anchored VWAPs and check it every day. That's it, you know. Make like this one is good from the top, really good, so it might offer resistance, we will see. And of course make VWAP from the main low here. This one is very even more important, I think, for us, because it's gonna be great support.
You got a whole bunch of them.
You can have a whole bunch of them, yeah. Did you saw the video or not?
I'm about halfway through it.
Okay, so yeah, if you finish video, you will know. And then yeah, you can then make your monthly VWAP, so it's gonna give you this support here. I was using it before as monthly because I want to see the monthly.
We had so much at 32,800. We had this main POC.
Yeah,
Then we had this anchored VWAP. So many good entries,
many.
but I was biased. Couldn't believe.
Yes, this is, if we get decline, this is gonna be the most profitable decline we will have in a lot of time, because such a powerful move. Of course we can drop fast, but it trapped a lot of people, so we will get violent bounces. I think it's not gonna drop like stone. I don't think so. Each good level you have marked should give you very good trade.
Oh, you think we will not drop in one candle?
No, it's not gonna be like drop.
hours?
I don't want to predict, but that's what I think. We just build a lot of supports, okay? So the only thing we drop faster is gonna be when we lose this low and we do not do swing failure pattern. So 35k. But even
Maybe
here,
quick ones, 3%.
yeah. But even here we build a lot of supports. So because all those shorts from these stops, they are still holding some of them. So should really mark those stops as well as market structure supports. Let's see the volume. Let's see the volumes. Okay. Yeah, very nice, very nice. So many high volume nodes. Over here we have multiple. This needs resolution 500. Yes, this is looking good, so because we have main POC, of course, but we have the secondary things we need to be aware of, and so many hills over here. But this is the main support.
But I mean, nodes are pretty similar in volume, so this was kind of range
Yeah,
nodes.
and let's have a look here. My next 3 videos is gonna be about this template because we need to really master it. You have so many things to do with such a template. So as you go sideways and you see you are going sideways in a range, you can merge all of these together. So you never merge, like when you have session here, you never merge with this one because it's just too far away. But this is very good for merge. But yeah, this POC is this is gonna be big entry. From 3800 250 to 37,900. Very, very good entry.
For scalp or
Sorry?
for scalp?
First for scalp, but we will see what's gonna happen.
Okay.
That's what we do in the group. We never know, but yeah, I'm just taking this trade on 2 accounts and one can be day trade. Easy. Let's merge everything together. No, you can see why we are stopping here. It's just too much volume over here.
Yeah.
Yeah, still. Even yesterday we had like very good scalp from this point of control. We went down, but yeah, this bounce was nice. $400. We will see. Yeah, if we gonna bounce, it's gonna be this area. If we continue down, we lose this such a volume, then yeah, it will cause downside. Very simple.
We have single prints at 35.9.
Yeah, that's tasty. Yeah, that's gonna be very good for our swing failure pattern. It will help us if we catch this low, if we get such a deep.
Can it wick through and come back as support? Well, yeah.
Which one?
From this SP to BT.
Yeah, yes, SP, when you are approaching it, is support or resistance. And when you start to eating it, then it's, you can feel full.
Sorry, can you elaborate on that, Sippy? I don't quite
I
understand.
will make videos about it. I don't want to go in much detail because there is whole theory about single prints and buying tail and selling tail. So don't worry,
All right,
you will get it. I don't want to do like puzzle. We'll do it this week.
Oh, cool.
Just want to see this. Yeah, this is our previous range. Okay.
By my calculation, tonight we should drop big, so we'll see. I want to see how it goes.
Okay. $37,475. This is the value area low, so this should give support as well. Like scalp. Yeah, those VAS super nice. Welcome, Freno. He joined, but he is muted. Okay. And Bram is here. Welcome, Bram.
Yeah, sorry, I'm at the gym.
Okay. You are listening in the gym. Good.
Yeah.
Good motivation. So we should really start this, probably these talks maybe a bit later because people arrived later. It was too fast.
Stevie, what's going on?
Hi. Who is it?
Sir Crypto?
Hi, dude. Hi.
Hey,
Oh.
so just another win, right? The that little fake out that we had right there. I know in the past that's something that I would, FOMO'd, as far as like selling or even adding to a short. But just being, a little bit more comfortable with Exo charts and looking at the footprint and the sentiment. You can see that no new additional shorts are being added. So that was pretty cool, right? So
Yeah.
yeah, just it's making me more of a confident trader in knowing not to panic sell or panic, panic sell, right? So I thought that was pretty cool.
Okay. And what fake out do you mean?
Just a little minor fake out that we had right there on the maybe 10 minutes ago. That little wick going down.
Oh, okay. Yeah. I don't
Yeah, it
watch
was-
Yeah.
So
Like I was just saying before, I don't trade such a small ranges. Okay.
right.
I don't trade it during summer. I just want bigger volatility. So, for example, this was
Yeah.
amazing trade. Adding here, yeah. Of course, you can trade it, yeah, if you want to grow account faster. But
Right.
this is pretty small, But levels
Just
worked
noise.
perfectly today, perfectly. Even as we went up from this support area into the 7 range POC, yeah. This POC I got from this template, yeah. It's here. So you can see, ExoCharts is making your life easier. So this was perfect. How much was the sell? 0.5%. That's really minimum for scalper should be looking for. So very good. That's what I mean. When you trade Bitcoin a lot, you will know what to expect from like at least 0.5% Bitcoin should give you from some level. Yeah, okay, from some medium level. And then we can see weekly POC acting as nice resistance all day. How many entries you had over here? Okay, 1, 2, 3, many. Previous week front run. It's like more regional because I know there is a lot of volume there. So it's not even, it's like high volume node. You cannot even expect to hit it exactly on first touch. But this was amazing. I took this trade first, then I was like keeping 30% of position. I had stop loss like a bit down there because I knew we can do swing fair pattern over here and into the daily naked point of control. So I survived with the 30%, and as we pushed up, I was adding at the position to the full size over here again. This was nice. Then you held the FIPS, and off you go. And now we have the use, because we don't use it much, 0.382, but sometimes you just hold it. It is showing you the market reversal is very close to you, because this is very bullish if you hold just 0.382, and up you go. So we don't use it most of the times, but I always have it turned on anyway. The better use for it is of course when we do higher pulls, higher time frames. Oh, let's find some clean chart. Yeah, this is gonna be nice. You can see because this is big pull, so you will be expecting you will hold the red line. Here you are. So from this point, okay, so it was nice. I was not even aware we held a 0.236 today, but we held it.
Yeah.
So the world is telling you, the world is looking at these FIPS. They are very, very important. And you can expect reactions from each FIP down there. Very nice. Okay, cool. So trading light we checked today. This is what I use, by the way, for the news. Maybe you know it. It's pretty nice. So if you have questions, especially the newcomers, you can ask anything. Like I want to hear about your losing trades, for example, or your winning trades. Why you won?
I can definitely talk about some losing trades, right? And what I was shooting for were the SFPs, and so just reflecting on that,
Okay.
I think I added more than what I should have, and in some cases I panicked and sold, right? So that's more of the psychological. But there was, I think, one video that you were talking about how the SFP line, if you pass it and it turns it into support, then feel confident about adding more. So I thought that was pretty cool, and I saw that, and I added in one of my winning trades. But I think the last couple of days, I need to get better with SFPs, right? I need to do a better job.
Yeah.
So,
Just do not be zoomed in too much, okay? So you don't care about these small swing failure patterns over here for 100 moves in small ranges. But you want to look for swing failure patterns that are the best when you are outside of the range, or when you are building like new lows, or mainly when you are doing like right here, yeah, compared to when you have big rise and then you falling down, and you are looking where is the swing failure patterns from on the left, okay, to the right.
Yeah,
So
the
do not-
medium and majors, yeah?
Yes. I see only good swing failure patterns. I took this one over weekend. No, this one was Asia still. Sorry. No, so cool. Yeah, because I was going to the bed at 4 a.m. my time, so I took this one with the group. I think we are sharing it. So this was pretty okay. The swing failure pattern, if you look at it, it was the bottom, like the new lows. Huge volume. Look at the volume. More than 40 million, all three candles. It was huge liquidation, visible on Exo, and all.
Where did you enter on 1 minute? On which?
I'm very
Okay.
aggressive, so sometimes I enter before confirmation, okay, but you need to just experience for this. But yeah, for safe entry, you can enter here. Or
Yeah, with this candle you could enter. Yeah, it was nice candle.
Yes,
The first one.
it can take few minutes to swing failure pattern to play out. Yeah. So because you are on 1 minute, so it can take time. But this was perfect. Just one candle down, and you immediately started to push. And you can see on Exo there was higher open interest, and here you had a lot of absorptions, and here you had a lot of absorptions as well. This was perfect. So if you want confirmation, you wait for the close of this candle. If you know Exo well, you can even enter here in this area. So the Exo, what Exo gonna do for you is gonna make your stop loss smaller. It's really good advantage. We can measure. It's quite different. Because in Exo you can see absorptions already over here. So your stop loss 0.5. And if you entered here, 0.80, 0.7, much bigger. So yeah, Exo is gonna make you more effective trader. So this is swing failure patterns we are interested in, and then we will be looking at swing failure patterns, even local ones, when we have more supports together. So weekly was giving very nice bounce, and then this was perfect. This is textbook rejection, because you have just weak, very aggressive. The volume won the candle even. Yeah, that's even another signal for you. You should really go long, heavy. Perfect.
Yeah.
And you see the reaction since then. So yeah, I think trading is all about this. You are looking for situations like this. This is all about. I've seen this situation 1,000 times, so I know what to do. I don't care about here, small choppy. So this is your point of maximum opportunity for today. This is gonna be another point of maximum opportunity tomorrow, or we will see when we get there.
That's a great point. The screen time, right? That spent maybe 12 hours for sure yesterday in front of the computer staring at the screen, and seeing those confluences definitely helps. So just being in front of it, looking at it and see how it reacts, definitely important.
Yes, screen time is important. It's like very. First year you just need to watch and trade. Being on the market will give you the biggest lesson. With right tools, with right levels. When you prepare your trading plan, or you just take from me, it is like 40% of your battle won already, because you know where to look. Without it, you are blind. So then you learn technical tools. This is your another 30%, and then you learn exocharts another 30%. So together, perfect. The only thing which is happening even for me now is like exo is pushing a bit like more stronger. Before it was TA for me was like 70% plus importance. Now it's a bit less. It's like 60% I would say, or 50, and it's like equal to the exo. Okay, we will see what will be the ratio for me in 1 year. We will see. It's just making my trading life easier and more effective. So it's very nice.
Do you always use CB few screens to at once see the chart where you're trading, and then you have all the drawings and
No.
also exo?
No, I'm a bit lazy in this. 80% I'm on TV, and I have many windows here. When I see big volatility, I have station just 2 meters from me. I jump on the station and I trade volatility when I want to enter multiple accounts, and such like. But not for this. This is not worth to me sitting on trading station. This can easily be traded like this. It's okay.
But sometimes, if you are trading all day long, for example, you already sit like 6-8 hours by the computer, your accuracy level, it didn't go lower if compare with begin from that day?
No. My accuracy is pretty same. I have like statistics, so it's okay, because I'm telling you, I do not trade chop like this here. Okay, I wait for market to come to me. That's the main thing. You don't need to be in the trade all the time.
Yeah.
Wait for the
Good
entry.
point.
Yeah, we said that in yesterday in the group. You have no trade, or you wait for market to come to you. Do not force yourself into market. If you do this, you risk, because like you are buying here, okay, you see big down, but you are buying here where is the land of no man. There is no man's land, we can say. I said in the group yesterday, when we lose dailies, we just go down, and we went down more than $1,000, because this was really good support region. When you go into history, you can check this daily region was heavy resistance. If you lose it like this, okay, then you go down. You go down to another supports. And that was 40k. It was our trade yesterday. I think the weekend I was giving you just good trades. Every trade was good. Some I gave you before it happened, some I gave you actual as was happening, and some I was giving you after. So I mixed everything together. But you stopped at 40k, you see? Very nice. It was yesterday. 0.1% plus bounce. And then big down, boom. Yeah, so fear of missing out, it's you will work on it. You also I just do not like this job here. You want to enter here and maybe add to your position here, and not to like chop around VWAP and take trades here. It's like very choppy. You cannot trade out of VWAP like this. And you can see, okay, I'm not trading past 2-3 hours, but you can already see the trade I took is over here at the golden zone, short with the top of the channel. This is perfect short, close to previous weak point of control. If you want to be in short, this is your area for short. And what is your target? Your target is gonna be those fips. So let's delete those, because we have now too many lines. You measure the move. You have 1% move down already from your position. You really need to take profit now, okay, if you are in short from this, okay? Just so 50% taking profit now, moving stop loss to your entry, and now you are patiently waiting. You are not taking trades over here, okay? Ideal entry, golden zone over here, or 0.5. We will see if you see some. Can deal with this one.
One question: in scalping, before you enter, do you measure it like this, or do you do risk reward that tool for shorts or longs.
No, I don't. What do you mean measure? Like my
You know
stop
that
loss
tool.
measure, yeah?
Like that tool you have shorts or longs, you know, not like with this measure, but you have this for.
You should have it in your
sure.
mind. But I can tell you this is really good short because you are protected by strong level. 40k is very strong level now. Okay, so if you start to claim this level, okay, your invalidation should be somewhere here or somewhere here. Because when you claim 40k, there is really high chance you go up because we have a lot of volume here and it's psychological level, okay? So this is perfect short for you because tight stop loss and your invalidation, your idea of whole trade will be invalidated if you go up. Perfect. That's what you will learn as a good trader as well. Not to be just empty stop loss somewhere measured with a ruler. It needs to be like, it needs to have some protection for you. That's really good. And you see, we continue down. We will see on golden zone.
Very nice.
Yeah. And also when you plan to enter with your initial position, as I said, maybe 30-40% of your position can be like this.
Yeah, split
limit.
ladder.
Yeah, but it's also scattered, yeah. So because you don't know when you end, when you will. I have just feeling we just go down, but we will not go too deep and we just bounce. And I will go market in, of course. But yeah. Yeah. So today we had just few good trades. Not much volatility. Okay, VA is 222. So many naked points waiting for us. Oh yes.
Do you get the naked point of controls from Excel?
Yeah.
Okay.
Here is very simple.
No, this one daily. And red lines, not naked.
Yeah.
Does it print the actual number, Sibi, or do you have to do it manually?
You just zoom in and
Okay.
it's not saying, yeah. You just zoom in, but you get it pretty precise.
Have you compared to Session Volume HD in TradingView? Or naked point of control?
No, I don't use TradingView at all. The ExoCharts is more precise, but also this is TPO at the point of controls. We have for volume we have other templates.
Can you explain me that time price opportunity?
Yeah, that's what we use. You know, that's what ExoCharts is about. You know, it's about, like, Bram knows this better.
Okay.
But yeah, it's about how much time price spent in a region. Okay.
In opportunity region.
Yes. It's just yeah, because when you are in short time in some region and you build big volume, it means someone is trapped there. So that's how you can. Those point of controls from TPO are super precise for scalpers. So I really love it. And volume point of controls are more like choppy regions. They can give you bounce, but it can take a lot of time. Yeah. So like market profile with TPO is just very, very strong. Everything will be explained in videos, yeah, because I'm studying this as well, because before I was not using like this template, yeah.
Okay.
So some things are even new for me. Not this one. We, as a traders, we need to evolve. That's very, very important. Yeah, everything is gonna be explained over here. And for volumes, I use this template. This super nice.
Yeah, that's nice. Just for example, now if I want to get to the May 19th, that's beginning of the big range.
Yeah.
There's no data.
No
merge.
data, so you must go to TradingView, of course, and you have it here.
Yeah, fixed range.
That's a pretty big weakness of ExoCharts. Why it's just such a but I know desktop version is much deeper. It's 150 days, I think Bram told me. I'm not sure, but 192 days. That's very really generous. Perfect.
Mhm.
So I have desktop version as well. So might start sharing some things for the group. Just need a good templates we need to build, and Bram, it's up to Bram now. Messages are coming while we chatting. Crazy. So,
Mhm.
but it's much better. People do not message so much. It's okay. I like it. It's like 50, 100 messages per day. I can manage. So what else you want to know, guys? Tell me. I want to hear from you. You know, what is your weakness? What is your bad traits? So we want to improve you.
I have not done too many scalps yet,
Mhm.
so I can't show you. But I will record my sessions, so I'll
Okay.
cut out and show you my traits if
Yep.
I need help or something.
Okay. We can have a look on how was the close. How was the closes? It's very, very important to know.
Higher high.
So weekly is over here. Weekly close very, very bullish. We need to stay. We need to stay about 39,031. And as a monthly is gonna be okay. Monthly is over
35.
here. Yeah, 35,000, very, very strong. Very important to hold. But monthly close was also very nice. It was above the candle. We will see. We might just go down and make a new body up there. But we made
Yeah,
it, you know.
probably touch the 35, touch the monthly support. It's very important to touch and take it as support.
Yeah, but I'm glad bulls were powerful enough to push above this, because some traders are too technical and they just need to see this, you know, to close over the candle.
Mhm. Yeah.
What is said, we didn't do it on weekly, so it was the highest close on a weekly, so it's fine. But the biggest power would be really closing above this region. We'll see. Yeah, but it's looking
I'll
good.
also check CME price when it's premium, when it's not. Because
Oh,
before-
BTC1 you mean?
Yeah, BTC1 when it's 150 to 100 in premium when we are in strong uptrend.
Yeah, yes, I will be sharing one indicator. Also, you can measure futures against spot.
Mm-hmm. As well, yeah.
I'm thinking who I send this chart. We can have a look on Randler. I think I sent him here. I'm trying to get a Byzantine general and cooperate with our group, but he didn't reply on Twitter. So for now it's very sad. I want
What's that,
his
mate?
indicators for free because it's 400 euros. Okay, so it's not so expensive for trader, but yeah, why not? Because I will give him free advertisement. Yeah. But this indicator is really what Crypto Ninja said is really good, and
Aggregated.
yeah, look, this is aggregated future basis. It's showing you if futures are more expensive against spot. If it's happening, you have ultimate bottom. It's like it means like derivatives like shorting like crazy, but spot market is buying it. Look here,
For now, you can
29,000.
use.
Sorry.
For now, you can use Coinalyze. I think they have aggregated data.
Nice. Yeah, but this is much like better showing you.
Yeah.
So based on this indicator, 29,600 was really buy. Big buy. So we will see. Yeah, there
Pretty good
are
coverage.
unpaid versions, of course. Who is online from Legends? Not so many people.
I
And
did have a
Legends are there.
Yeah, and you all of you had the trading already, except you, Slice. I know you're waiting for Bram.
Yeah.
You had the training, all of you. Crawlich, Grizzly, Seer.
Correct.
And who was
Had a
who was the trainer? Bram or Randler?
Well, everyone, I suppose. Oh no, sorry. Do you mean the personal training? I haven't done that shit yet.
Okay.
I'm too scared.
Do it, man. You got to do it, bro.
Yeah, no reason to be scared.
CB, I had a follow-up question. I saw your chart. It looks like you ladder in for the SFPs, right? My limit orders, is that correct?
Yeah, it's 30 or 40%, of my total entry I want there. So
Okay.
it's
makes
just little
sense.
orders because I sometimes you can put a small limit like starter position, starter.
Okay.
But I do not do it often because I consider this very strong support. So most of the
Right.
time I still wait to see the reaction on market and enter with market. Yeah.
I can't see that, just the screen. Are those all even amounts, or is that? Do you have, like,
All is
20%?
even 5,000.
Okay.
Because I trade 30, 50,000 sometimes. So this is just
Perfect. I'll that definitely makes sense when you have those, that strong support on top of other important levels.
Yeah. But when I go sleep, I will delete them. Okay, because I don't want. Okay.
Have you done that, Civi, where you forgot and it was a big loss or a big win?
I had more big wins than but I forgot about one trade. Yeah, it was 5% loser because of this. So yeah, of course, always check your charts.
Oh man, right.
It's okay, it just happens. Yeah, but always delete orders if you go sleep if it's very close proximity and refresh by bit. Sometimes you need to refresh and it's not gonna show. It's very rare, but it can happen. But I'm always doing this strategy. I have strong bits, $10,000 from the price. So like bits on a day trader and swing trader account and a bit on a scalper as well. So if you catch such a big volatility, you wake up in big money. So it happened multiple times during bull market.
Nice.
It's position which cannot harm me even if it goes further down, but you can make really good money on bounce. It's always on dailies, on weeklies, or monthlies. Always there because this is the highest probability bounce area.
Right.
It was just when you wake up in nice profit is such a good feeling. Then you have no regrets. But anyway, I don't feel fear of missing out anyway. Yeah, but it's nice to happen. Where is my clean chart? This one is cleaner. I want to show you what I like. Where was it? 1 hour. It was when we started to break above 20k. I catch, I think this drop. There was another one. Oh yes, this one. I had orders somewhere around here. So this was pretty amazing. Yeah, we will have a lot of videos because, for example, before I was not paying attention to it so much, like because funding rate was super high over here on the top. It's like markets are overheated, yeah. So when you have super high funding rate, you are looking for short. You are looking for short in this area. It can go against you for some time, but yes, you will get this dump. You will wash retail out.
What's super high, man? It sounds a bit arbitrary.
Oh, you don't remember? You were not trading then, or it
I
was
was not trading back
0.30% and plus.
Yeah.
Jeez.
Can you imagine?
0.3.
I remember I had big position when the funding rate hit me and I lost like $300 immediately because it was $100,000 position. It was very sad, to see. Crazy.
Yeah.
So yeah. What is the funding rate right now? Probably good. Yeah, neutral. All good. It's really nice to see such a okay funding rate and Bitcoin is at 40k. It is showing us the move up is from spot, not from speculative markets.
I can send the link to the group to check multiple exchange funding rate.
Okay. By Bita, The web page is
Yeah.
bad. Yeah,
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 yeah.
I'm using that. Yes.
So what are the practical implications of the spot being above futures and stuff, or vice versa?
You mean for funding rate?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm telling you, if you have positive funding rate, yeah, very positive, very. You need
Just go
like
short and vice versa.
you need to pay the bulls, the longs need to pay sellers for the long position. Okay, and the bigger the funding rate is, the chance of getting down is going higher because the market is overheated. It means futures are buying more than spot. Well, futures are dragging the price. You need to be aware of this. I will be making video about funding rate, a long video, because so much good implications are coming out of this.
Well, it sounds like a very simple, like intuitive indication.
It is, yes. And here, as we were going up, I was mentioning it multiple times in the group and other members, the funding rate was negative, so people couldn't believe we are just rising, okay? Everyone was expecting down. So people were shorting here, negative, very negative funding rate, because you do not get minus 0.3% only in a bear market. But this was indication it's not gonna end well for the shorts, and that's what happened then. Boom. Even here, it was still negative, I think. So we needed one more push until it was neutral. It's just, derivatives was
Wow, that's
chasing.
crazy.
Yeah.
I didn't see it as anything more than, just like a fucking fee that you pay.
No, it's crazy. It's very, very precise. So even the big good traders on Twitter are saying, okay, we have negative funding rate. You will not see me short, okay? So, yeah, I can tell you, I was not aware it's such an important tool, like half a year ago. I was keep paying it attention when it was very high to looking for shorts, but yeah, I will be paying it even more attention now. I want to do the same for the group, so everybody knows.
And you're gonna make a video on it?
Yeah, I will do video, of course. Yes, it needs to be done.
Well, before you do that, like what sort of value are you looking for? Because you said 0.01 is neutral, yeah?
Yeah, but we had 0.06 minus here. It is very, very negative for shorts. So, especially when you go up and you see the funding rate is still staying the same in negative territory, that's your signal, That's your signal. It's crazy. People are shorting the rise of just derivatives, not spot market. Spot market is buying. Yeah, so very helpful over here. Okay, so yeah, this is the region we need to break for 47k, okay? This is the top of the range. And we stop exactly there. With big volume, of course. How is the volume looking at the past few days? Just need to go to daily, hide this. Okay, so volume, yeah, nothing special. Volume is pretty neutral, but it's picking up, so it's picking up. Especially what you want to see more, you want to see smaller volume decline on these three candles or in 4-5. That's good sign. And then you want to see bigger volume on the push up again. Yes, this is good web page. Yeah, we'll share it now.
Yeah, before I shared it to another page, I didn't even see.
Okay.
I was like, where's this link?
Yeah. Yeah, we have this CME gap. Yeah, that's gonna be nice target if we continue such a deep.
Yeah. Would be great for buying opportunity.
Yep. So shorts from here, they are reaching final target, golden zone. And you can see nice bounce already. So you should really close your shorts here and should be like going long. Yeah, but ideally you want something else with Golden Zone. But you can see Golden Zone can act alone as a support again. Already.
Yeah, it will give maybe some bounce, but it can smash through later.
Yes. Bounce is still pretty small. Let's have a look on EXO. Okay, EXO is not looking bad. Pretty balanced.
Left is selling,
candle.
yeah? Right
Sorry?
is buying.
Yeah, you can see here the DOM is showing you more buyers for now. It's same. It's just showing you much deeper. Like I watch it here sometimes, yeah, but it's showing you the sellers are clearing the way. The buyers are more aggressive. 6 million on the beat. This can move pretty fast, okay? But if you're on EXO, you watch DOM. This is showing you,
Yeah.
okay. They are pushing, and then you know you will take profit when you see the DOM is turning around, yeah. So more sellers start to step out from the shadows, yeah, like this.
Yeah.
But this is not ideal bottom candle because you had battle here. This was all market orders, okay? The ideal bottom candle is when you have a lot of shorts on the left, but nothing is showing up on the right. It means they were absorbed easily with a limit buyer. That's the best scenario for me. Let's have a look.
When institutions want to get in, they should make a buzz.
Yeah, what was the time? I think this is gonna be, yes, this was our naked point of control. You will see this is much better bottom. Look here. 1432. I just want to see if it was same. 32. I have 2 hour difference. Yes, that was it. Okay. So this is much better bottom for you based on EXO charts, okay? Because you had a lot of aggressive selling over here, you see. 2.54 million at the bottom, 4 million over here. On the right, 0, so it's showing you it's like absorbed easily. Again here, very heavy selling and not much on the buy side. So all of these shorts over here are absorbed just by limit. There are no market orders needed to absorb them. And since then we bottom out, okay? That's what I want to see. This is much better. Also, it's in black boxes, okay? So it means market imbalances, yeah? Heavy shorting. And this candle was pretty strange. Not much volume.
Is
This
this
one was better.
template in the EXO course series, Sibi? I didn't see it.
It is there, but yeah, I need to do video. No, sorry, not me, but I can do video about it, but I'm keeping it on Bram, yeah, because it's his template, yeah?
It's his baby. Okay.
It's his baby, yeah. Yeah, Bram is the biggest addition to the group we have, so be thankful for Bram. Truly, because he's making good templates, and this template, I use this template, because the footprints now seems, not enough for me. This template. Like this is, previous template much better. They work same, but it's just better visually to see what's going on,
How to invite people to the group? Just right-click, invite, send copy link.
You can invite people, yes, to getting started section. This was very good candle, very nice positive delta. Net longs coming in, 55.4 million. And open interest starting to going up. That's what you want to see as well. Okay, here was negative, but it's slowly started to go up. So again, giving you good bounce. Yeah, you don't want to see, like when you are rising, you don't want to see open interest going down. It will mean just there are shorts closing, yeah. But if open interest is going up with a trend, it's showing you new longs are coming in, and you can see them clearly here. Look here, amazing. So this was really major entry today. But Okay, what is going on here? We are still pushing. So yeah, golden zone is doing the job. Slowly, because now it's a low volatility time. This is the lowest volatility. 0.4 bounce. Okay, not bad. Not bad just for the golden zone alone. Yesterday when we went down, it was pretty amazing to see the Australia made such a volume. Finally, New Zealand and Australia guys, yeah, you did something proper.
That was my account.
Yeah. Very, very 1.2 billion. Yes, and this point of control is gonna be nice. This naked one.
That's a follow-up question that I have, CB, personal experience. When's the best time to trade? Which sessions? Opening Asia, opening weekly, opening monthly? I'm just trying to find out when not to miss the action for sure.
Okay. So the worst time to trade is like past 2 hours until the Asia open, because it's lowest volatility and lowest volume. And the best time is London open and then into the New York session. This is the best time to trade, really. You can see already here. Look how many liquidations we have. Volume is really good. The most action plays here. Okay, takes time here. And then you have the Asia open, and then I usually stay up for Asia for 2 hours. Like, so first 2 hours of Asia is really, really good.
What is your time right now? Quarter to 11?
Yeah.
Oh
yeah.
no, it's 21:45. Quarter to 10.
Yeah. But if I trade Asia open and 1 or 2 hours after I wake up too late, then 11 a.m. I wake up, so it's quite late. I want to change it. I will be fighting hard. I want to release trading plan a bit sooner, and it's better.
In an ideal world, you'd want the trading plan at the Asia Open or like somewhere after it.
Yes. Maybe I will do it like this, yeah, after Asia Open. But I also want to see what Asia did. That's why I like to open Asia. Why I want to release trading plan in the middle of the day, so I can really have idea what's going on.
Yeah, you're talking about the open drive or some shit.
Yeah. That's I want to do video about it as well, because you have multiple types of opens, yeah, and it can define what's gonna happen during the session, and they are connected to TPO as well. Depends very open, so a lot of theory there. Just need to be really picky and take good informations, because we already have really complete and very good working trading system. What we want now is just add small little bits which will make our trading life easier. That's the plan. I don't want to add too much, because every year I was taking out of my trading useless stuff, so I don't want to end up again with too much.
Yeah,
Shit.
very important. You
Yes.
have too much, you have paralysis analysis,
Yeah.
and you can decide.
Exactly. But the Anchored VWAP is really good addition, because yes, it gives you trade maybe once a week, yeah, or twice a week.
Let me ask you as well, do you use any stochastics, any indicators
No,
for your
no.
trading, or just levels? Okay.
Nothing like that.
Okay.
I'm just aware where is the 100-day, 200-day moving average and 50-week moving average. You were not here before, but as I said at the beginning, I want to be aware, because a lot of people watch that. I think 100-day moving average is at 40k, around something like that.
Yeah, we just bounced off it before.
Yeah.
Or whatever.
That's what I watch, and then I do not watch MACD, RSI, and those shit indicators for crypto phase and others. Why? When you see his entries, you know. Yeah, he's just gambling. He can make money, but he's losing money easily as well, I think.
Well, how does he get an account that size?
I don't know. Maybe he's on testnet, yeah, but it's showing
I
like
heard
real
that shit.
account.
That's
Who
fucking-
is?
No,
It's
it's not.
possible,
No,
right?
because testnet accounts, you have the link here is different. Okay, so you can spot it easily. But
When he hides it.
I don't know.
But who
because
are we talking about?
CryptoFace.
Oh, CryptoFace.
Mm.
No, I think he's trading it real, but it's his market cipher.
He's
But
trading
he
from
sold
real,
a lot
but
of-
he's making much more money from selling the indicator.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah,
but
but
that's not-
it was impressive longs. Like, I mean, I'm not admiring the guy because his entries are the worst in the world. Where we take profit, he is just sitting there in position, so it's crazy. I don't understand. If he would learn a bit of technical analysis, he could make such a huge money. But it's crazy because he's showing people, bad trading.
Yeah, he's ruining people
Of course, yeah.
with this.
It's
Well, I wasted about
responsibility.
3
I would
months
never
learning his shit.
open group if I'm not like trader okay, and not like
Did
him.
you watch his live?
Yesterday
He's
I was
like
watching.
crazy, man.
It was big size.
He's like crazy, man.
Yeah. Maybe he is good in market psychology as well because he knows. Sometimes he knows when market push really hard. So, okay. Yeah, it's more
It's
gambling.
possible that he's just fucking scamming. He like hides the Bybit test link and charges people thousands for a shitty indicator.
No, I think it's real money. Because I've seen him
Alright, I
lost a
think
lot
so
of
too.
money. I've seen him when market dumped $10,000, he lost almost all accounts and he deleted videos. So he's deleting a lot of bad things. Okay, you see only
Oh.
success. And also remember, he only turned on YouTube when he's already in position. Yeah, so he
Yeah,
maybe failed
I
on
think that was
other
like-
accounts. Okay.
Yeah, but I think there was just advertisement for his fucking indicator.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is.
And he's also supported from Bybit, yeah. So that's what my manager told me. He's like mascot for them. So okay, he's yeah. So we don't know how it works, how much money he brought to Bybit.
Probably all those millions from affiliates as well.
Maybe, yeah. But if you do not teach people trade, you will not get money from affiliates because they will liquidate and you will never see them again. It's not how it
Yeah,
works.
that's
And
true.
liquidations are. I was sharing the ring on Twitter. The liquidations are not so big portion of real trading. On FTX, average leverage is 2x, so very clever traders there. And if they go down, they just close position and they do not get liquidated. So
You have a Twitter?
no, I have no social media exposure for now. Maybe it can change in future. It's not about like I don't want to stay anonymous forever. We have a really good guy in the group. He's how it's called, he's searching for data, but he's not hacker. He's like white. You know name, guys?
White hat.
Yeah, we can say
White
he's
hat,
white
yeah.
hat. Like digital detective, but he also knows some hacker stuff. He said he will help me to secure me. Because I know you can get some hackers, when you are like public. It's easy to get you. Don't want to lose my crypto. And crypto is easiest to get, yeah? Because I hold some substantial, money on Bybit accounts. So... Or they can hack you, they can open position, they can destroy your accounts. Yeah, that's the easiest way. How can someone destroy you?
I think the biggest risk is maybe them fucking finding out where you live and then just come around to your house with a crowbar and open your accounts up.
I would welcome them. I'm ready for this. So let's go.
Oh yeah.
I don't think you've seen CB with the axe, so you need to watch that video, man. I think it'll be all right.
His badminton racket.
Yeah, I have some weapons in home, so it's fine. Yeah, we cannot hold guns, but we can have cold weapons, so like steel. Yeah, but when I was moving to the apartment 4 years ago, there was nothing in the apartment, but there was a thief going up because it's second floor, and his wife, also drug addict. They were just searching for something to steal, so she gave him help. But the detectives found him like 1 week ago, and he's in prison now for this, because he was robbing few houses. Yeah,
Wow.
it was a bit crazy. He just stole vodka, 1 jacket for 200 euros. That's it,
Yeah, if you're gonna steal something, you might as well make it worth your while.
Yeah. Very, very stupid idea. And since then it's okay. Where are you all from? Because Slice is from New Zealand and other guys.
Are you, mate?
Who
What part?
who is from New Zealand?
Who is
No,
from
no,
New
I-
Zealand?
I am.
Crawley
I
is.
think you said slices. Yeah, sorry.
Need to close window because heavy rain. I cannot hear you.
Okay.
Finally some rain. Okay, so who is where from?
I'm Lithuanian.
Okay,
U.S. Arizona.
nice. And Grizzly?
Yeah, right now I'm living in Netherlands, but originally I'm from Letland,
Oh, okay.
from Latvia.
Nice.
Actually, the neighborhood with Lithuania.
Mm,
Oh, okay. Can you
Interesting.
understand each other? It's like semi.
Little bit,
Mm.
yeah.
Hmm.
But it's depends. In Letland also, a lot of people can speak in Russian. I also can do it.
Oh,
In
yeah.
Lithuania, I know also.
Yeah.
I think ExoChart's creator is from one of your countries.
He's from
Oh,
Lithuania.
really?
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, is he? I heard something about it.
Yeah.
Interesting.
Write him. He's in our group, but do not bother him.
What's his name?
Veran.
Veran.
Veran. He's an all stars, but yeah, do not bother him with like you don't like.
No.
I'm just telling you.
I'm not like that. I'm not like.
Cool.
Hey, man. No,
So Flash the Buffer is from Ireland.
just say hi. Just say same country, and that's it.
Yeah. Post-Soviet countries.
Yeah.
It's quite a lot of people from post-Soviet countries are traders.
Yeah, we like to make money.
Yeah.
Yeah, everyone.
That's
Yeah.
lazy people, you know.
Not lazy. It's like dream life. Also.
No, I mean we are not lazy, so we put in the
okay.
work.
Oh yes. I was in UK since 2008 to 2011. So, and yeah, everyone like Eastern Europe and Middle Europe, like hard workers, always say like that.
Mhm. But you was doing before trading, CB.
Oh yes, but I was trying trading already. After high school, I was trading. I was trying trading already because it was after financial crisis.
2008.
2008, yes, and I started trading 2009 already. I think everyone was saying the gold is going up because the inflation hedge. So I went to the market. I bought gold. I didn't know what I do. I bought maybe 10 lots. I get liquidated next day because they said you need to own gold. And yeah, $2,000 gone after one day. That was first experience, I think, from trading. And the gold went up. I could make maybe 10,000, but risk management was shit, Didn't know nothing about it.
Yeah.
Leverage, leverage kill traders, like new traders. They don't know what they do.
Yeah, but I think if new trader gets success, and if actually in your situation gold will really go up and you will make the 10,000, it's more worse there than actually lose the
Oh
200.
yes, of course, dude.
Because then
We
you
have,
didn't learn the lesson and you think that market is super easy for you and you're always gonna make money like that.
Yeah,
It's really bad for psychology, I think.
yeah. This video is staying only in Legends, so it's all fine. But yes, like for example, Gucci, he was prime example because he made a lot of money on a bull market. He's young guy, 19 years old, I think. So yeah, but he made a lot of money. But when the market turned, he started losing everything. We predicted with this outcome with Brown because he never learned lesson. Yeah, all these people who were trading just bull market, they are not traders anymore. They are liquidated.
Yeah. Everyone lost their profits.
Yeah. So not just profit accounts as well, because
And
they
accounts, yeah.
they learn to wait out mistake. They learn to we will go up next day. When we go down, I will stay in position. So
It's a necessary filter, though. Like, it's not a coincidence that all the successful traders have at least got liquidated or their
Yes.
accounts wrecked once, or probably more.
everyone is writing me first time when they are starting. We have like 80% people here are still like newbies, and I say them. I never say them you will destroy first account, but I say them use only 20 to 30% of your total equity for trading. I do not say why, but I say this. I say okay, when you see a winning, you can add to your account later. it's good. I think it's good approach. I don't want to be too negative, and some people made it. They never liquidated like so much. Like Bram, I think he was not a liquidator like me. I was professional liquidator.
Yeah, we're
Yeah.
I posted some formula how to calculate
Yeah,
the position
Yeah.
size.
yeah, that's
Except anyone wants.
yeah.
When I started a few months
Yeah, when you
ago,
trade, you have this
it was
formula
like
in your
grand
head.
in a
So
day.
Yeah. Just if for scalping, it's maybe a little harder so quickly, but for swing trading, you can really measure and everything.
Mhm.
yeah. Yeah, very nice. Yeah, that's how. Yeah, I use usually 10-20,000 positions for. Yeah, usually even for bigger account. So my risk is okay. But yeah, you need to go bigger risk when you see the chance.
Yeah.
This is only good to use for leverage. Also, the world is going to limit leverage. Maybe it will happen on Bybit, but I think it's a good thing. I was learning a lot about it. We will see.
Yeah.
We will see if volatility drops after they do this. Yeah, exactly. It's in your head. We didn't have to calculate.
Yeah, you can just calculate 1%. Yeah, what's it
Yeah,
Gonna give.
that's easier.
on cross? Yeah.
So I'm really curious if Bybit lowers leverage to 20. 20 is still more than enough. It's just not more than enough. It's too much still.
Yeah, on cross is enough. 20.
Anything above 5 is just predatory, yeah? By
What is
exchanges.
predatory?
You know, like preys on the traders.
Yeah, Binance is predatory because you have a lot of buttons.
No, I think 25x is something.
Yeah, it's still
You
too
think that's
much.
vi-
Yeah,
you
but
think
we
that's
want it.
viable?
We want at least 20x so we can have good volatility. If they keep 20x, it's gonna be nice.
It's everything on your risk management. If you know how much percentage you can do isolated on 100x, on 80x.
What is
Doesn't
it?
matter.
What is advantage for us? We have bigger volatility thanks to it. So we want
Oh,
some
yeah,
leverage to
for
stay in the system. Because you know, traditional markets are now just 1x leverage or 5x leverage, not much, and you see the volatility is not there. That's why crypto is
I am
wild.
trading one stocks broker. It's 20x.
Okay. So yeah,
But is
they are
that
trying to
is that
limit
a,
this volatility.
Is that a big part of the crypto market? Like people over leveraging? Moving in
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
On Binance for sure.
How do you
or-
see those cascade drops? Because it's liquidations
Yeah,
which
true.
ignites.
Yeah, but even with lower leverage, I think it's gonna be high volatility anyway because it's just scarcity of asset. Or the books are empty. Yeah, I think last weekend we had the outflow of 170k bitcoins from exchanges. You have data for this.
Last week.
Yeah, no circuit breakers. That's fine. We don't want them. Break them all, and then we go to the trade. So we will see. Maybe in 2-3 years, crypto is going to be really regulated. So enjoy every trading day now. It's really nice.
Yeah. I think so. It will be.
Yeah. So Bitcoin continues down. Just want to check.
I'll post my SFPs.
Yeah, the
If
weekly.
you check, if just 15 minutes if they're correct by relevance medium. Major.
Should be. I can check, of course. So now we are getting bounce from weekly. How much was the bounce? That was pretty okay. 0.66%, but you need to have quick hands. I was not watching how fast was the week.
Yes.
But you can see from good levels, you can earn for your stop loss easily. And you need to be careful because now market structure is just falling. So what is the stock market doing? I just want to see if it's coming from stock market or not. Where is it?
Yeah, it's a little bit down. Some of them. VIX is getting higher. Volatility is increasing.
Yeah, there's nothing. That's small.
Small dip.
It's so high, you know, crazy. The most
If you
hated.
check, yeah,
This is the most hated rally in the world.
yeah.
Nobody had chance to enter. This was just the institutions. I don't think many people were buying so much. We will see. With the Delta variant, we will see how crypto behaves. So I'm happy I sold a lot of holdings of Bitcoin now. not a lot, but 30% at least is sold. So I'm happy if we continue down. I don't care. Because we are, yeah.
If it will go down below 30, wow.
Yeah, if we now fall below 30,
Yeah.
it's gonna be with
Yeah.
so much people trapped again.
Both sides, fully trapped.
Yeah,
Shorts probably liquidated from this big move, and then longs trapped.
yeah.
But
Yeah, I'm still happy Bitcoin Bybit is working for me with so many levels inside. So your countries are vaccinated. All is good.
they are vaccinated. We have this adventure passport.
Mhm.
We call this.
Okay.
If you want to go to a restaurant inside, you have to have been vaccinated. But now in the summer is not like this, but it will be again in the autumn.
Yeah, that's good to hear.
But you're pro vaccination, right?
Yeah, of course. Of course.
Pro means against, or
4.
Nobody's
For-
probably
oh,
nobody normal
for-
is against.
okay.
Why it should be problem, you know? The humanity is vaccinated for 200 years. I mean,
Yeah,
the
but
only
not like
disadvantage
this.
is we don't have time. We do not know if it's something happens in 5-10 years on genetic code, but I don't think so. I'm allergic, you know. I have hay fever, so for me,
Okay.
it's
Yeah, you
important
need-
to have it.
Yeah. Then you can't risk.
And also, people can die from collapse of hospitals. Yeah, my friend's mother, she was not on. She had no COVID, but she had pneumonia. You know, pneumonia. I don't know if I
Mhm.
say it right.
No, you got it.
So, but yeah, with hospitals were not so overloaded. She survived because when you overload hospitals, people die not from COVID but from other things too. That's important. So your swing fire patterns, they are looking okay. Let's have a look. Yeah, that's
This is on 1 hour. Actually, I should show you 15 minutes as well.
Yeah, that's fine.
'cause-
Yes, yeah, I think so. It's okay. You do it same like me, so it's not rocket science. It's just yeah,
Yeah, I learned from you from one video, and I just
Well-
back tested it.
nice. So that's pretty cool. Medium. Why is this one medium? Just want to.
I think on 15 minutes, it's because it's the last before push-up.
Ah, okay.
The last week before big push-up.
hmm
And now we are trying to SFP it.
For me, this is medium. This is local, because this is ending the range. Okay, you had range here. This is inside the
Mhm.
range. So this is local, medium, major. This is
Okay.
major, medium.
It's a bit hard when you're not live. You know, there's a delay, Sibi, sorry.
Yeah, there is delay. We might, okay, maybe yes. Later when 15 people, I will do it as well. Support the Discord and I can stream on Discord, but now shitty quality. So it's not good. Okay, we had a question from Krolic here. So why would Binance shit itself on crashes or whatever? Surely it's not insidious as the exchange trying to get money from intentional liquidating people. That's their concept, you know. What can I say you? Because inflows of new people are so big, they do not care they are losing so many people getting liquidated. And believe me, there are people who liquidate, they top up account many times next time. Okay, so it's much
Really?
more effective for them to take it directly from people than just raise good traders. I don't know why. They're just stupid, you know. Like whole interface is built for high leverage. You have now, I don't know how they change it, but you had before like 50x button, 100x buttons. Yeah.
10x button is like the minimum.
So how interface looks on a trading exchange is telling you everything. How is the exchange itself, what they want from you. And here you have nothing pushing you to high leverage, just percents over here. But you do not use them because it's crazy.
You can change the cross leverage from 100 now, yeah? If you
Yes,
click on it?
now you can change. So it's no problem.
Yeah.
They listen
Because
to people
I was terrified to use cross, man. In case I fucked up.
here.
As a
Okay, so Bitcoin dropping, swing failure pattern.
precaution. Yeah.
It might be just swing failure pattern or the books. We will see what's let's see. Let's see if there are buyers. Okay, there are buyers. Yeah, for now it's
So
looking like swing failure pattern. We will see how battle end here. But all of these shorts, they were just absorbed into bigger limits easily. That's really nice to see. There was no big battle here. So big reaction, weak. Now some good volume coming in, and now DOM is dominating, and the bars are dominating, so you can push up. Okay, this is looking like swing failure pattern for now. Look at
What's the
here,
time
10 million
frame on
pushing.
that
That's
Subi?
nice.
Subi,
Yeah.
what's the time frame on that template?
Time frame, there is no time frame. It's based on volume and I think volume and the Bram knows exactly. Volume and time, I think. Like 240 trade counts, volume.
Trade count, yeah.
Yeah, because sometimes you can see here that the candle took 9 seconds and here it took 2 minutes.
I think I'll just wait for Bram's video. That makes no fucking sense to me.
Yeah, I'm
That's
not
right.
doing video about this. You know, I know how to use it for my purpose, but I'm not perfect in it, okay?
We're all learning here.
Exactly. Not the trade count. Bram will reply you. Okay, so it's still looking like swing failure pattern, so pretty okay. Yeah, because your ideal entry was, I hear when you see such absorptions, you know, you need to really enter somewhere here, so you have really tight stop loss. Nice. All right, so I think today was really nice talk. So did someone catch the trade or no? Because I cannot while I'm on stream.
I didn't catch scalp, but I mean my swing.
Okay. Okay, so Bram replied to us. It's based on candle traveling a certain range. You wanted 10 ticks. Okay, now I will remember it. In this case, for trading candle and 100 ticks for reversal candle, 1 tick is 0.5 USD. Oh yes. So from the open of the candle, it needs to travel the distance. If not, no new candle will be made. Okay, yeah. So some candles are so long, so yeah, 50-minute candle. Cool, guys. So I think we might reach our support region. So I might go to my trading station now. Not sure because it seems like swing failure pattern, but yeah, not confirmed yet. You need to go more. You need some volume and push. What is open interest doing? Yeah, longs liquidated. That's the thing, because we trapped so many. We still have how much? So from 11 million, we have still 126 million. So a lot of people are trapped. So the market, the vulnerable, like the more weakness is on the downside now. Okay, need to understand, because look, don't have much shorts. we don't have much shorts to squeeze, yeah. So we have longs to squeeze. So it's logical we continue down. So be careful on the downside, and yeah, I want to see how we get what we get in that region. So right now I would be in the long from here 10x to exo, very tight stop loss, or wait, because this is not swing fair pattern. Like you have one candle, but yeah, it's very, very indecisive. Would be probably getting out of the trade over here. You want push, you want strong push, okay? You want like this, boom.
And this is not so strong yet.
Not so strong yet, yes. It's a weak. Yeah, okay, I think I'm going to eat and watch my coming trade, so I hope we get the Knights pounds there. Martin joined, but yeah, we are ending Martin now, so it's okay.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, we had nice
see you,
2-hour
see you.
talk. So thanks very much for your talks. It was very nice.
Good chat, mate.
Thanks.
Appreciate it.
Yes.
Thanks,
so have a
mate.
nice trading, and yeah, let's trade this. If we continue down, let's go. Okay.
All right. See you.
Okay. See you guys.
Have a good
Bye
one, fellas.
Bye bye.
See you tomorrow.
Bye.